but cross type screws, let's say, or a little bit deeper here. You see, these are too narrow. I don't know if I can make the camera focus. But anyway, the idea is that the screwdriver can very easily slip through here as you tighten this up, and do damage to the circuit. So I would really like, you have to be careful with this. I would really like to have another type of screws here, okay, that won't be too easily to be slipped, for the screwdriver to slip on them. So I finally built it, and here it is. A beautifully well-made kit, I would say. Um, the people that created it would be smart enough to put a few simple pieces together and make something that looks like a television, real television. It's actually a real televisor, but just two acrylic pieces here, and it looks great, a complete product. I really like it. Now, one thing that you have to notice is that this disc, the spinning disc here, is, at least in my case, it was bent. Okay, it doesn't affect the operation. It doesn't affect the operation of the thing, but it causes a little bit of imbalance. And I have to say in that point that the motor is very silent, so you won't have a problem with this. But a few things are not mentioned in the manual, like for example, those screws here. You have to adjust the area between the back plate and the front plate, and this really adjusts the focus of this lens here. So these things have to be taken care, and depending on the focus you see the right image on the screen. And talking about the screen, let's power it on. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we have the usual red LED here, high brightness red LED. I wonder why they used red LED. I think it was because they wanted to reassemble the original, to mimic the original neon bulb. But I would have used an amber LED here. Anyway, so here is the whole construction with a diffuser and the red LED and the disc spinning, and not so straight. It's a little bit bent, but that's okay. The motor is really, you can't hear it. Okay, it's really silent. So here we go. And the first big surprise here, a test card already embedded inside the firmware of this thing. Now, of course, you cannot easily see it. Yeah, I think you had, you will see it if I, it's difficult to show this on camera. The frame rate is interfering with the camera frame rate, but the image is really stable and there is no loss of synchronization. I really like the way the holes have been made. They are really precise. I really like it, and this was one of the reasons that why I ordered this kit. Is the precision of the Nipco disc. From time to time, as I focus the phone, you can see the test card clear, but yeah, the rest of the time is a little bit out of focus. And of course, you see all those lines in the camera, the black vertical lines that go back and forth. In the real eye, these do not exist. But I still have, I think I'm gonna still have to focus it a little bit closer. So I'll try it in a moment. Okay, so there you have it. I think the brightness is at about at the middle point, and again it's very difficult to focus. Oh, here we go. Now you can see the real image here, focused right, and notice that those vertical lines do not appear on the naked eye. So you see the quality is actually very good, the quality of the image. The different lines are aligned perfectly, and I don't have anything negative to say actually. It's a perfect alignment. So yeah, I'm very satisfied about it, and I'm gonna do a few more tests with the CD-ROM that they have provided, and enjoy watching some movies either. Hi. Anyway, it's a very nice kit, I think, very educational, and it can be assembled easily. There are a few things that could be described better, but I have the feeling that it's really very simple to be able to be built by anyone, basically, with very basic electronics and mechanical skills. Actually, mechanical skills, as the electronics come pre-assembled. So I would recommend to the people that want to live this experience with a mechanical television. It's a great product. My only negative is those screws. I think they could be improved with better types, so as to avoid any accidents. And the other thing, of course, is about postage, about the import taxes. If you're trying to buy one outside of the United Kingdom, note that they're using a very bad service as far as concerned the import taxes. So you have to pay around double the price of the product. At least that was my case. A bit more than double the price of the product. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and with a mechanical television, with a mechanical televisor.